Hello again, everyone. This is ACMA Urunavochariji. I am back with my third video. Well, there are certain answers which I have to give to certain people. Some juniors are of the opinion that sir, आप क्यों? आपका तो CMA हो चुका है ना, तो आप ये सब झमेले में क्यों पड़ रहे हो? आप जाने दो ना, क्यों बेकार का झमेला में पड़ रहे हो आप? आपको क्या फ़ायदा मिलेगा? You have already completed your CMA. You have not skipped any exam. So what is your problem? Well, उन सभी से मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. ये किसी CMA का कोई भी डिसीजन, CMA काउंसिल मेंबर्स का कोई भी डिसीजन, if it is right, if it is wrong, it is bound to hamper the entire CMA fraternity. And I have told in the previous video that the CMA fraternity does not only includes the top council members or the students. The CMA fraternity is everybody. Tomorrow, like we are, corporate people. If tomorrow we go to a new company and demand a higher package in a higher salary because of our experience and all, it can be a case that if that person is aware about the fact, about the debacle that is going on with the institute, that they are not being able to conduct the exams at their proposed time, their proposed system is not working well, it is not prepared well till now. So they will make a mockery of it. They will say, oh, you belong from that institute which is not able to deliver its promise on time. So how better will you be? Don't demand a higher salary or a better position. Take the salary which we are offering you. Stay happy with that. We who will be in the service line for the next, say, 35-40 years will have to face this kind of questions directly from the interviewers. We will have to face the mockery of those people. Why? Have we done any fault? Have we studied less pages and have cleared the examination? No. We have given examination on a daily basis, unlike any other professional courses. With all due respect to them, we have given every day exam, and that is a huge challenge in itself. Jaise, when the institute does good works, like suppose the merger, the MOU signing of ACCA with CMA, उस टाइम पे हम लोग बढ़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बोले थे क्या? यस, हम लोग उस टाइम पे बहुत बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोले थे कि वाओ, दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट milestone, this is a great stepping stone for the institute. The institute will be coming to its pristine glory very soon. It is obviously in its pristine form, no doubt, but still. So अगर अच्छे काम हम लोग बढ़ चढ़ के बोल सकते हैं, तो जब कोई गलती हो रहा है या फिर जब कुछ बुरा काम हो रहा है, don't you think that we as members have the right to question? और उन सब स्टूडेंट्स का बात मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ who are happy about the exams got postponed, because उनको किसी भी टर्म में एग्ज़ाम ला दो, they will remain unprepared, except a few जिनका genuine problems है because of any other reason. I know some of them as a representative of the others. बाकियों को कभी भी एग्ज़ाम डाल दो, January 22, January 25, वो लोग वैसे ही अनप्रिपेयर्ड रहेंगे, उनको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. There are a handful of them. So out of some thousands, there maybe are some hundreds. So we should not be bothered with them. We should ignore them and we should move forward. We must not start quarreling with them because they are not aware of the disaster that has already been done or the defamation that is already going on in the market. So, any decision taken, wrong, right, it is bound to affect the entire CMA fraternity as it is happening right now. The only thing that can safeguard the entire CMA fraternity is the actual conduction of the examination in its proposed time, maybe in the month of January or February, whenever it is. I don't know the exact dates again. And they should deliver the promise of giving us a seriously robust mechanism, a tech savvy mechanism if they are deciding on the online mode or the offline mode. I don't know about it right now. I know about it. I know bits and pieces, but I don't wish to say it in front of you all because that is not an official notification. So, if it is an online mode, the promises that the institute people had done, a tech savvy mechanism that needs to be delivered, an ultra technology solution based examination that can again rebuild or rekindle the faith of all the students, and before that kindly come out with a clarification, one-on-one with students, or prepare a video saying that exactly what was wrong, what was the unavoidable circumstances that led to this situation. We need an answer. We, the entire CMA fraternity, is looking out for an answer. So, I hope you are understanding it. You all are respected members. So kindly come up with an answer as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you so much.